Hey guys, Dan with Rim right here. We are doing another unboxing video. We went out and purchased ourselves one of those Chinese inflatable paint booths, and we're gonna open it up right now for you guys to see. We're gonna get it set up, blow it up, and see what it's all about. You can't see them probably, or maybe you can, but there's some wheels over here that we've got to paint, and we are gonna get them into the paint booth, and that will be another video because we're going to show you how to paint engraved lettering on these big old truck wheels. So let's get going. Let's open these up. We kind of dug in here, or I should say my help did while I wasn't around, because he's snooped. But this is blower 1 of 2. That's basically it. I think there's a manual. Nope. High quality, let me tell you. We got a second blower here. So you've got the bigger one, which I believe is your fresh air for the paint booth. Brings your air in and circulates it out through the filters in the booth, and then you have the smaller blower which actually inflates the structure of the booth. And this thing is 26 feet long, 13 feet wide, and I think 10 foot tall. So the bay we're in here, it's going to be a tight fit. But I wanted something that we didn't have to have up all the time. We'd still be able to use our shop space. And you can, I'll buy a tote or something that we'll just be able to roll this up and put it away in, but we can still get that controlled environment for painting. So basically these are just bags for sand, and then there's some rope in here to tie it down if you're going to use it out in the elements. That's what all this is. Then you got some stakes, none of which I plan on using. Blowers up and see what the heck it looks like. so it is inflated. I think the structure is about 100% full of air. We're having a little issue with the fan that goes on the inside. It kind of just flaps, so we got to figure that out, but it's kind of cool. I dig it. We're going to need some more lighting in there because it's really dark and I'm not going to be able to see anything when I go to paint. So we'll probably hang some lights in there. We'll go for a tour here just in a second of the whole thing and check it out, but I want to go and figure out why the internal air fan isn't doing what it should. And I'm hoping by closing everything up it'll pressurize and get enough air in there that, which that makes sense now I think about it. The bigger fan, because it has to fill a larger volume of air. So we're going to go mess with that a little bit, and then we will take a tour around our inflatable paint booth. Here is the paint booth, the inflatable paint booth, all blown up. We're going to take you on a tour. As you can see, it takes up my whole freaking shop. We've got a couple, I don't know, 30 feet up there. Nice and big. The door opens up, rolls up, and then there's these clips to hang it up so you can drive in without any issues. These are the filters on the side. There's one on this side and one on that side. I think this just kind of keeps it protected, but when you run it, you peel these back. We had the fan going inside and a ton of air comes out of these holes. So it does a great job. I can actually feel it right now, and we're not even running the fan anymore, but it pushes the air from the back through the booth and out, so it's kind of like a cross draft booth. You got some big windows here. It's still really dark in there, so we're gonna have to figure out some lighting, which I'll show you inside. And then you have an entry room right here where you can store some materials, get your paint suit on so that you're not taking contaminants in. Here's our blower setup. Then you have the rear access door here. Opens up nicely. You can come inside, zip it back up so that you keep this area clean. And then when you're ready to go into the booth, which I think we'll actually try and keep it as clean as possible, because when you have a powder coating shop, all you're gonna get is tons and tons of debris. And that kind of defeats the purpose of what we want to do with this. So walking in here, it's very spacious. You do get a little bit of light, but it's not a lot. They've got some hooks that we're gonna have to rig up some lighting with. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, you're in a really nice controlled environment in here. You've got these filters that are replaceable to catch all your overspray and whatnot. So you can see how it pulls apart there. And you just pull the filter out, which this is the same material we use in our booth on wheels, so that'll work out pretty good. So yeah, pretty sweet. Can't wait to start putting it to use. I think first I'm gonna have to go to the store and buy some lighting though, because the lighting in here is horrendous. So we'll probably get a couple, I don't know, like stand-up lights for those two corners, put some lights in the middle here. We could probably rig something up over here, but I'm pretty excited about it. Now we just got to get the finishing touches. I hope you enjoyed our unboxing video. If you did, give us a big old thumbs up and make sure to subscribe so you can see our upcoming videos on us actually using this thing with these wheels here. We're going to powder coat, or not powder coat, we're going to paint the engraved lettering on the lips on all those wheels. The customer wants them all black. So stay tuned for that video and we will catch you on the next one.